Hello, salam, good evening. This is the farmland around our house in my village, Hotwala. It's morning, but there is a little fog. Sun has risen. This is some kind of wasteland where there are reeds, but we haven't changed it. We, ha- we haven't brought it under cultivation for birds and animals so they can have shelter here. And a beautiful palm tree grew. And this is a crow pheasant, a morning visitor of our lawn. He has found something to eat and enjoying his breakfast. Really a majestic bird, but a dangerous and cruel one. And now, after an hour, sun is shining, and our birds are having breakfast in our backyard. There are some peacocks, turkeys, and chicken, bantam chicken, and our guests, our visitors, sparrows, squirrels, they are feeding with them. A lot of other birds also visit: babblers, manas, crows, bantam chicken, are beautiful birds. And this is a guava tree, and a bulbul is eating fruit, hiding in the leaves. This is also in our backyard, and a lot of sparrows after their breakfast they are chirping and enjoying, sitting at autumn-stricken pomegranate tree, little innocent, beautiful birds. And a white-breasted kingfisher sitting on the cypress tree enjoying the sun. Quite a beautiful bird. It has sensed the presence of camera. It is desert plant, agave, which is growing in our garden. There are blossoms on it, beautiful blossoms, and a bulbul is enjoying nectar from the flowers. It is a beautiful plant and have a long shoot that grows once in the year, and that it has blossoms and flowers. It's blooming on a little hillock in a corner of our garden. And a beautiful grey francolin. It is a rare sighting. It is in our fodder field. It must not be alone, there will be some others. Yes, it is its mate. They are foraging in the field, and they are preening themselves. They are living quite peacefully. Uh, Otherwise, they have been hunted a lot, and in fact, they are not found in our vicinity, our locality. Only few of them in our garden. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and give a thumbs up if you like the video. And keep loving nature. Protect birds, protect wildlife, protect nature, and protect yourself. Thank you.